then just respond to this text or email, however you got this. All right, let's walk you through how it is we work and how we can help you. And if this makes sense to you, then just respond to this text or email, however you got this video, and we can chat more about it. But the first thing that we do is we like to find out what your goal is. So what we do is we build custom lead generation systems under your brand, specific to your business. So whatever it is that you would like to do, we build systems to help you do that. So if it's a lot of people like to get decks or bathroom remodel or just remodeling in general, or if it's roofing, solar, whatever it is, painting garage floors, we've done that too. So whatever it is, we can help you do. Window companies, you get the point. So what we do, the first thing we do is find out what your goal is, and then we build a custom plan to make that happen. Not just a custom plan, a custom system. And I'll show you what I mean. So the first thing that we like to do with this system is what we call our AI powered singular inbox. And that's just a name we made up. And we're pretty proud of it because it's a cool name. But what we do is anywhere that you get a lead, we're going to capture it and respond. So the reason we do this first is we can get you leads. That's no problem. But what we found is if we get you leads and then you don't have a system in place to capture those leads and respond instantly, that you're just going to be throwing money in the trash. And we don't want to do that. So the first thing that we do, this thing right here, will make all your systems work better. It'll make your business work better. So if you get a phone call, our system's going to know that and it's going to capture that phone call. And if that phone call is missed, if you're on a project or if it's late at night after hours, our system is going to respond to that phone call and then move them down the process. So one of the things that our clients like a lot is when we set up our phone calls, what we do is we hire a voice actor and we create a very specific message, a voicemail message that's very well done. And that voicemail, let's say it's 1 a.m, someone calls your business, or maybe it's in the middle of the day and you're just on the job site and you missed that call. This voicemail, it's done by a professional voice actor, so it sounds great. And we just say something like, "Hey, thanks for calling. We're on a job right now. We're not able to answer your call. But if you can, in just a moment, you're going to get a text from our system. If they're on a landline, they won't. But as long as they're on a mobile, which most people are, we'll say, in just a moment, you're going to get a text from our system. What I'd like you to do is respond to that text. Tell us about your project, and then we can take the next steps from there. And then we say, if you're on a landline, you're not able to receive text, then I want you to go to this website, very simple domain name, and tell us about your project. So what that does is make sure that every single phone call gets answered immediately, no matter what you're doing. So we do the same thing with Google, your website. If someone goes to your website, fills out your contact us form, we're going to respond to that instantly. It's going to go to that same place, the singular inbox. Or the same thing with Facebook. Someone sends you a message on Facebook, we're going to be there, capture it, put it into the singular inbox, and we're going to respond to them, qualify them, and book an appointment, as you'll see in just a minute. So it's the same thing with Instagram, same thing with Nextdoor, your Google profile. Anywhere you get a lead, we're going to capture it and respond to it 24/7, every single day of the year. This right here makes a major difference for most people's business. But that's not enough. So the next thing we do is this one right here, the second stage of this. So we call it the qualification, filtering, and scheduling system. So a lot of businesses, especially when you start getting a lot of leads, a lot of businesses, they need some information before they go and visit that home or before they make a proposal. So the last thing you want to do is just drive all over town and waste your time with a bunch of tire kickers or jobs that just aren't, they're just not a good fit for you. So what we do at this stage is we work with you and we find out what information you need before visiting a job or working on a proposal. So I have a decking client. He gets 75 leads per week and he didn't have time to go visit every single one of those jobs. So what he does, we create systems for him to where we have them take their phone and they go take a picture of the current area. So if it's a decking company, we take a picture of the area they want to deck, or they usually have a current deck, go take a picture of that. A lot of homeowners have images of inspiration. Maybe they got in a magazine or they saw online. We have them take a picture of those. If they have dimensions already, send those to us. Some of these people have blueprints that they've already have drawn up. We just have them take a picture or upload all of those things, send them to us, and then it goes right in the same spot, the singular inbox. This way, all the client prospect communication is in one single spot. That's why we call it the singular inbox. So everything is in one spot. So no longer do you have to go check your email and then check your phone history. Everything is captured, including phone calls. One of the good things is all phone calls are recorded. So any client communication is in one single spot and it's easy to find. So the next stage of this is after we've collected that data, we responded to them, we know they're a good fit, then we just have the system book an appointment. So it schedules an appointments, it sends out reminders to you, your salespeople, and the homeowner, which just makes sure that no appointments are missed. You want to make sure everyone's home and you want to make sure the sales guy doesn't forget. So we automate this whole process. Not a thing for you or your salespeople to do. It all just happens automatically in the background. So that's the second thing. The third thing is which why most people come to us is the lead generation. So we can help you get very good leads. And if you haven't seen my video on how we can help you get very good leads, let me know. I can send it to you. But the first thing we do is there's two parts to this. All right. You got free methods and you got paid methods. What we like to do is make sure that all your organic, all the free methods, all the free ways to get leads, we want to make sure that everywhere people are searching, that you show up and that you look good and that you're easy to get in touch with. So that's places like Yelp, Google My Business Profile, Nextdoor. Nowadays, you can go on AI and say, find a decking company near me. We want to make sure that you show up. So there's over 200 different publishers like these. And what we do is sync you with all those. And we make sure that all your data is correct. We make sure that you're easily found. If you have any reviews, we're going to publish them to all those places. This will make a major difference in a lot of businesses, unless you already have that done, but most people don't. So this will make a major difference, but it takes a little bit of time for you to start to see this pay off. So we like to do this right away, but at the same time, we get your ads set up. And we can do ads anywhere. Most businesses, we like to do Facebook. And there's a reason for that. We can run ads on Google. We can do SEO. We can do Yahoo, Bing, any of that kind of stuff. But with homeowners, when you're trying to reach homeowners for like a home improvement type of project, what we found is Facebook ads work really well. And we spent over $3 million generating leads, mostly on Facebook. So we know for sure this works. We have proven campaigns for home services businesses that work so well. And I can show you examples if you need to see them. But we like Facebook for that reason. The homeowner is easy to get in touch with. We can get leads very cheap. And as long as you have these first two things right here, the leads will work really well. So if you don't have these first two things, then it's going to be hard to convert those leads. And another thing about these first two steps, if you already have leads coming in from Angie's List, Home Advisor, Thumbtack, Porch, any of those type of places, we'll derive those leads right into the system. So we can maximize those leads too. Any leads you're getting, we can help you convert more of them just by connecting those. So right here, let me show you one other thing. So what we like to do, there's a couple things, like we send people to a survey. So here's an example. We could just send people to a simple form and just collect their name, email address, and phone number. But we're all about quality. We want to make sure we get you the best quality. And the way we get you quality is by filtering out people. So maybe you're in the type of business to where you don't work with people who rent, or you don't work with mobile homes, or maybe there's certain areas, whatever it is, we will filter out the leads that aren't a good fit. So they don't even make it to you. So we use surveys to help us with that. Again, we can talk more about it if you want. But the last thing we do is what we call the after the sale system. So we're all about creating systems to help you get the most amount of leads possible. And this right here will make a huge difference to your business. And what we do, as soon as someone says yes, there's a couple of things that need to happen. One, you need an invoice that gets sent out. And you want to make sure that that invoice gets paid as quick as possible. So we have systems that'll send that invoice out. And if they don't pay it, it's going to remind them to pay that thing. So that's all automated, happens in the background. And another thing we do after they pay it, after the job's complete, we have an automated review process. So this right here, again, just makes everything else work better. This makes the free stuff work even better. You get more reviews. This means you're going to show up in the search engine. So all this stuff works together. What we do, we're pretty proud of this. It works well. Is the last thing you want to do I'll show you, is get a bunch of bad reviews and make them public. So what we do with our automated review process is if they hit 3 or under, then it stops right there. The only person will ever see this review is you. But if they hit a 4 or 5, it's a good positive review. Then what happens is then we ask them for a public review. And again, that's all automated, not a thing that you need to do. It just happens in the background. And another piece of this whole thing is when you get a good, happy review, there's another piece of automation that kicks off to make sure you get referrals. So what we can do is run referral campaigns to your past customers that you have now. And we can usually get you a few jobs out of that, if not a lot of jobs out of that, depending on how many past customers you have. But what we do with all new customers is after they leave a positive review, the system knows that and it sends out a review process. And I'll show you how that works. So there's automated text and emails that we ask them for a review. They'll fill out a form like this. And once they give you their friend or family member or neighbor, whoever, as a referral, then you get notified. The client who gave the referral gets a thank you message, and the actual referral gets a message from your company with an offer. So again, this all happens in the background. It's automated, and this can make a big difference depending on how much volume you do. You turn a small percentage of your deals, your clients into a referral, your business is going to grow exponentially. So there's more to this. I don't want to overwhelm you, and we can talk more about it. But the last piece that we really like to focus on is the loyalty and repeat business. So most business owners we talk to in your market, if you sell a deck, you probably sell roofs or solar or bathroom remodel or something. So what we like to do is stay in front of your clients. We keep them happy. And there's a couple ways we do that. One is on their birthday, they get a text and email just to say thank you and happy birthday. Also, every major holiday, our system, again, there's nothing for you to do. The system does it for you. And on holidays, it's going to send out an email just says Merry Christmas, Happy Easter, Happy Valentine's Day, whatever. So we do that to stay in front of your customers, and it creates loyalty. And what happens is you get more referrals that way, because what we like to do is create a referral system to where you maybe give them $100, $200, whatever, for every referral that turns into a job. You do that and you do these, you're going to get more referrals. You're going to get more reviews, and you're going to get more repeat business. So that is basically what we do. We create systems to help you do all this. And if you'd like to chat more about it, just reach out to me, respond to the text or email that you got, and I'd love to chat with you. Take care.